Okay, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Nice to be here. First of all, I want to give a shout out to all the new subscribers. Thank you guys very much. You're the reason why I keep making these videos. I wanted to just make a quick video because I know it's been some time, and usually when I make a review type of video, I typically say that I really don't take cryptocurrency serious until it's over the 285 billion market cap point. So as you can see right now, we at 363 billion. So that's kind of big, that's a nice chunk away from where I usually take crypto serious at. So I thought it'll be a good time to give a quick review of the coin. So right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 11,873. That's beautiful. It really hasn't cleanly broke through the 12,000 point, but I believe it will, at least before month's end. So we'll see about that. Ethereum is sitting pretty healthy too. And the reason why I'm mentioning Ethereum is because I got a surprise for you guys that you might be interested in. So before I continue with this video, I want you to hit that like button. By hitting the like button, it helps with the visibility of the video, and we need that. We need a lot of people to see this video because it's important for crypto. That's how you get mass adoption. And if you want to be successful, or you want to be you want cryptocurrency to be successful, blockchain to be successful, share the video so other people can learn about this cryptocurrency stuff. So Ethereum is looking pretty healthy. So let's continue on to our top five. We got Tron. Tron sitting over 2 cents now. So guys, I mean, come on. We mentioned this. We talked about this in previous videos, and Tron was below 1 cent. So this is a huge step up for Tron. I like to see Tron at 2 cents and better. So we just keep trucking along with Tron. All right. So let's go on to the next one, which is who we got. Some of these coins fell out the top 100, so we might have to scour the pages a little bit. But okay, IOST. We got IOST today up 12.05%, sitting at 0.006. A nice location, but we want this clearly over a penny. We want it over a penny. We don't want it struggling under a penny. This is a strong cryptocurrency. They got some stuff going on their platform. If you're interested in that, go back to my previous videos. I talk about that. And then if we just move up a notch and see, we got Verge here. Verge looking to get up out of that 0.006 range and enter the penny range as well. We want this over a penny. Back in its heyday, Verge was literally neck and neck with Tron. So, we want to see Verge clearly over a penny, definitely. So now we're going to go to the next 100 cryptocurrencies. And of course, I want to tell you guys, I want to tell you all that when you get to this page, you got to really do your research and due diligence on this stuff, because these are not really good projects that you want to be, wasting your time with. So make sure you do all your research. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. So anything talked about on this video, on this channel, please do your own research and take it from there. So we're going to look for Electroneum. Electroneum right now is at half a penny. So what I say about that is, ever since its short rise about a month ago, you know, it didn't just tumble down. You know, it really just kind of slowly went on down instead of just a harsh drop, you know. So this is encouraging for this. And we all know the Electroneum brand, especially on this channel. I talk about Electroneum a lot, and you clearly all know that I like the project personally. I think it's a terrific project. I do want to see something new from them. They can't just keep talking any task because, you know, compared to Fiverr, even though any task is a little cheaper, you know, you got to go with the quality sometimes. So they do have some quality gigs on any task, but they need to bring some more traffic, some more vendors over there, you know, open it up, open the platform up. You know, I suggest to them, I strongly suggest that they open it up to even a possibility of books, you know, having digital books available on that platform will open it up more. So, you know, they got some work to do, but I believe in the project and we just gonna keep it pushing. So you guys know what I'm going for next. That would be, maybe it's on this page, but maybe we have to do a special search for it because recently it did tumble all the way to maybe the fourth or fifth page in crypto. And that's no good. You don't want to be on these pages, but sometimes you can find a real jewel if you know what you're looking for. And especially if you've been following cryptocurrency, some of these coins tend to go to the back pages, you know, to the back pages. And I mean, you can't help it, but if they work their way back up to that top 100, then that shows that that's a strong project and a resilient project, and you just want to keep an eye on it. And this is why, after I give you my fifth coin, which is Dent. So let's see where Dent is. Let's see where we at. Well, maybe we passed it, so let's just do a quick search on Dent and see where this is. So we got Dent, which is up 5.67% today. And if you guys know, if you all know about my channel, I've talked about Dent and I've talked about the improvements that they've been making, how they cleaned up the image that they had that was a little bit misleading, I would say, but they cleaned up their project, and um this thing has been slowly giving nice percentage gains, you know, in the past couple of weeks. So Dent's sitting at 0.000344 right now. We got about 1.5 million in volume. So it's looking pretty healthy right now, and that's a good thing. But what I really want to bring to your attention today is this coin, which is Dentacoin. So Dentacoin, I'm gonna give you a little story about Dentacoin. I followed this coin way back when I first got into watching cryptocurrency and discovering these different projects, and it was at a higher price point then. And when I did my research on Dentacoin, I seen that out of all the cryptos that, you know, preach about their platforms and DeFi and dApps and whoop-de-whoop, this one specifically talked about dentistry, you know, and healthcare field. So I thought that was kind of different. And if you think about it, if they can really build upon that, that is a very um good field to try to break through and be the first to break through. And surprisingly, when I was watching Dentacoin tumble down to, I mean, near free right now, um, you know, they had up a misleading kind of website with exaggerated numbers and exaggerated use case and exaggerated these people on board and stuff like that. So I just thought, this is a shit coin, and it'll soon disappear, right? And it was looking at one point like it was headed in that direction. It even had like question marks on the volume because I believe it fell very, very low at one point, like 3,000, and then just they couldn't even list it maybe. So here it has re-emerged itself and is still pretty far in the rankings, 734, but you figure if you got 6,000 cryptocurrencies listed on this thing, then they're at the bottom, but they're maybe in the dirt part where all the scavengers are, like all the scavengers just sitting on the floor right there at the bottom of the sea, right? So here we go. I want to show you their website, which is updated, right? And according to this website, that is realistic now. They don't have these exaggerated numbers or what have you. They have 1,827 dentists that are on board with them. And I believe before they had just some crazy number that you wouldn't even believe because the still low. It's still way below Dogecoin, right? And if they're going to be touting those numbers, then at least hit a penny or two. So this seems pretty realistic. They got a better website going on here. It's cleaned up. Got a little video if you care to watch that. And then way down, if you scroll, they got some, I guess, some reviews from some people, publications and awards and things like that, right? And they have a social media right now. So it seems these are all things that they didn't have previously, So, and at that point, in 2017, they were what, 0.006, pretty high up there doing, millions of dollars in value with literally no type of infrastructure built. Excuse me. So I'm just thinking in my head, this year probably was their worst. This is when they were tumbling and really nothing going on. And as you can see, really not filling out, but I guess they achieved what they did have mapped out. So maybe initially they knew what was going on and cleaned it up in 2019. A coin burn here, and if you look in the 2020 roadmap, they did a coin burn I wasn't aware of in May because I just wasn't paying attention to the coin up until this point to where, I see they're making changes. They still have their own lane that they're in dentistry, which is different from all other cryptos now. Can this work? Well, we'll see. But if you dig a little deep, they're talking about, just basically rewarding people for going on their platform, taking surveys, right? So you'll take a survey on their platform and you'll get awarded like Dentacoin, which is something you can now use to, I'm pretty sure, with that provider. And maybe you have a cleaning you want to do and you get your teeth cleaned and you use Dentacoin to pay for it if they're in that network or something like that. But this is a lane, is what I'm saying, and this is a good lane that you want to see progress made in. And if they can pull it off, look how low the numbers are right now. 200,000 subscribers right now. So these numbers can go up in the millions, and even billions if you think if they do it on a international scale, you know, if they just servicing all over the world, it'll just be, it can get blown out. And now if you look at this map right now and you see the locations where I guess they're claiming they have reach, um it's pretty interesting. So this is one you might want to just keep an eye on. It's very low. I mean, it's like low to where it costs you nothing to keep an eye on it, you know, like even if you um I mean, you know, just do your research on it. I think it's something that is worth keeping an eye on. For now on, I'm going to keep an eye on it on this channel. So you guys like and subscribe to this video and click the notification so you can get alerted when I'll keep you updated on what this project is going to be doing. So you'll be up to date. Right now, oh my goodness, look, 0.12345 zeros. I mean, if this drop even more, I'm guessing they'll take this off. But at this is just as you see right here, back in 2018, 0.0069, almost 0.007. It was 24-hour volume on it was, wow. They were doing up in the bit. They were doing a lot of. They would make, wow. 24-hour volume, 30 billion. Crazy. But anyway, that's something to take a look at. Yeah, Dentacoin. I'll probably go. I'll probably dig around the website, do a couple of more videos, see how the volume is. It's still pretty low. I've seen it as low as $3,000, to be honest. And the website with as much information as it is on there right now, you know, I don't see how this can. And then the market cap is only $3 million. Like, I'm pretty sure they can do volume in that, like at some point, especially in the bull market in the cryptocurrency. So just take a look at it, guys. You know, maybe something, maybe not, but man, that's terrific. That's all I got.